Yeah.
I would set up the people them for run. Well, Nuffy, no, Nuffy. Remember, send the king sent for me, no?
Yeah, don't do that.
And the king said, no man Nuffy put the crown on him head.
Yes.
When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. Your energy, I can feel it.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV, another man of pace. And me always I say to the violence of the streets, live in love, unity and strength. So me I say give thanks to another day. Anyway, you are right now watching this, listening to this vlog. I wish you nothing but blessings and prosperity, guidance and protection upon you, your loved ones. That's it. Viewers and subscribers, in this episode we have I look at small clippings performance from Kartel being crowned and performing, and you know what I mean? Like I look at altercation going in the audience. But I do some research to find out what really are going on, because you know whenever I put out no fake thing you go whenever I go say, you see me? Yeah man, so stay tuned. You see me? But before everything, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to go check out that song here. I Want You, out on all digital platforms, and the official music videos just soon drop. See it? Yeah man.
When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. Your energy, I can feel it. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it. I made you, I made it. The truth me I reveal.
Yes, the song, as I say, is available on all platforms. Use up the sound, drop a comment. Any support is appreciated, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you see it. So Kartel was being crowned, and like Nuffy did want to crown Vybz Kartel, but why he nearly burst himself. Yes, Pastor tell him, say, yo Nuffy, nobody go there, so behave yourself. You see me I say, know yourself. And Kartel I say, Nuffy don't do that man. But anyway, watch out, go on and let me know what you think. See? Peace out.
Yeah.
I would set up the people them for run.
Security have everything under control. Don't worry.
Yeah, you know what? We chose this. The people them said this is the crown.
On behalf of the entire Jamaica, the music fraternity, Joe Bogdanovich and Reggae Sumfest, we are here to crown the legend, Adija. Well, Nuffy, no, Nuffy. Remember, send the king sent for me, no?
Yeah, don't do that.
And the king said, no man Nuffy put the crown on him head.
Yes.
Remember when they are Europe and the king said, Queen,
yes.
and you want to put the crown on my head.
And you just give him back their money.
Yeah.
I know.
On behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sumfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall!
Thank you.
Long live the king.
We can DJ a song. Oh, Joe, White guy, you want to say something?
This is a great historical moment,
Yeah.
and we're blessed to be here. And people get excited sometimes and they do some things, but you know, it's all about love, it's about change, it's about community and helping one another, and this man, big him up. Come on, let's hear it for Vybz Kartel! I can't hear ya! I can't hear ya!
Big up yourself, Jenna. Big up. You hear me? People, it's a joy. And I'm telling you something. It's a joy. You sit down yourself in a own country. And the people them say, well, boss, you finally, officially deserve it. Big up yourself. Spice.
Hold on, the media, hold on. May I have a towel, please? The media down here are complaining.
Say what?
They didn't get it. Let me get a towel for the king, please. The king of sweat, intermission.
Officer, now you the side of me. Where I go? Yeah. Join me, baby.
Neck to friend.
Oh, man, I kiss you in the spice.
The media is complaining that they were a bit distracted and they never got a good picture. So we're going to do it. All the media here in the pit. So I'm going to do it again.
Yeah, take time.
I am here to crown
the
cerebral luminary, Adija Azim Palmer. We're up now. I am here, the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Fully. Thank you, Jamaica. It's a pleasure. Big up to the whole down south team, reggae sumfest. Big up to the Queen Spice. AKA World Wife. And big up most of all, Father God, I never think people are only listen Kartel. I only say Abby the teacher from Black Kartel. Bleach out face Kartel. Kartel in a prison. Kartel a road. And Kartel now the writer sent front on a home do it. Enough respect and enough love to them. What my song Spice?
One king.
One king.
Any other king I must burn a king.
Money! Aye. Never say this. Because I can be the bigger man. I'll have to say, big up to the man. The former king. But no. What big up to one of the legend of said, the bounty killer. If I never you move to stand up on the stage, I know, because you believe in me. So big up bounty killer. Big up Bojo Bantan and Ninja Man are the two biggest inspiration in the music. And then me hear and say, I want to do this. So all of the Gaza fans and the Kartel fans, and Bojo and Ninja me hear as a little youth. And I said, no man, and this I want to do. And see me there now. So big up on yourself. I'm here for the rest of the crowd that we know can dance on the river. Give me a reading there. Ready again. Not you tell me, yes, Spice. Ready again. I want Nuffy. I must have done. Let's jump no man. Everyone back in the house. I'm going to get the house.
Yes, man, so there you have it. Vybz Kartel crowned as the king of dancehall. You know, Joe bring 4 crowns and the man choose which the one we want, you know. Yo, that's speciality. But anyway, big up Vybz Kartel, big up everyone. So me I say, I am Eric Lionfoot. No, me can deliver that music, you know. We just need opportunity, a chance to prove yourself. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, big up on yourself and big up the Lionfoot fans and the kings and queens. Thank you all for your continuous support. You see me? Yeah, man, I remember to go check out the music there. You hear that? Big up on yourself. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.